Hello and welcome friends. We are here with a similar type of case which we have already discussed in the previous lecture, but now with some statistical information. The case is the probability that A fixed truth is 0.6, the probability that B fixed truth is 0.7. A and B agree on a statement. Find the probability that the statement is true. The probability that A's fixed truth is 0.6. That means the probability that A lies is 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. Similarly, the probability B's fixed truth is 0.7. That means the complement event B lies. The probability will be 1 minus 0.7, 0.3. Now, A and B agree on a statement. What is the probability that the statement is true? We know that A and B can agree on a statement in two ways, either by speaking truth, both speaking truth, or both lying. But the case, or rather the point of interest, the statement is true. Only the event both speak truth can stand in favor, but A and B agree on a statement is possible in two ways. So the probability will be favorable cases divided by total number of cases, and that can be elaborated in these two steps. Now we can numerically or statistically find the probability, and A's fixed truth is 0.6 into B's fixed truth is 0.7 upon again same 0.6 into 0.7, but another way of agreeing on a statement is A lies 0.4 and B lies 0.3. Upon 0.42 plus 0.12. So it is 0.42 by 0.54, or more precisely 42 by 54. Yes, 6 is the common factor. 6 sevens are 42, 6 nines are 54. So the probability that the statement is true comes to 7 by 9. Thank you very much.